Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Vathal Kulambu. Vathal Kulambu is a famous dish in Tamil Nadu and very traditional. So take a look at the ingredients. Oh yeah, whenever you look at the ingredients, you will see that this dish has the 6 tastes. So take a nice look at the ingredients and come back. I have 2 vathals with me. One is Sundakkai Vathal and the other one is SRecipe Vathal. I think I want to use today. I like SRecipe Vathal, but today I'm going to try Sundakkai Vathal. So, I'm glad you're with me. Come on, let's start cooking. First, to prepare our Vathal Kulambu, we need to make our Vathal Kulambu powder. First, to make our Vathal Kulambu powder, add oil. Add fenugreek seeds. Add pepper. Next, add urad dal. Next, add tur dal. Add dhania. Raw rice. Add the red chilies. Stir it in medium flame. Make sure not to burn any of the ingredients. Now they are roasted very well. Cool it and grind it to a powder. I've grinded the Vathal Kulambu powder. See? It smells so good. I can't just wait to eat it. Now we will make our Kulambu. Next, let's fry the Sundakkai Vathal. Sesame oil. You can rather deep fry it or shallow fry it. The Sundakkai Vathal is now ready. Now let's start making our gravy. Sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Now add fenugreek seeds. Now add chili. Curry leaves, garlic, mix it. The garlic is now golden brown. Add the onions. Small onions are very good for the Vathal Kulambu. During lockdown, we don't have small onions, so I'm using big ones. Add a little bit salt so the onions will cook a little bit quick. Stir it. Now the onions are cooked well. It's time to add the coriander water, some turmeric, some jaggery, water, stir it. Cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. It's been boiling for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the Vathal Kulambu powder. Stir it. Now it's time to add the Sundakkai Vathal. Time to add the hing. Stir it again. See sand. Look at how juicy it is. My mouth is watering. After adding the Kulambu powder, it will become thick. So then cook it on medium flame. And then cook it for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to open it and see. Wow, look at the oil. It's separated very beautifully. So that means it's time to turn off the stove. It's so satisfying to hear that noise. The Vathal Kulambu is ready. Now it's time to eat. The Vathal Kulambu and rice go very well together. And by the way, for the side, you need no vegetables. Just aplam is fine. You guys have to try this recipe. Oh yeah, this is a must-try recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Bye! The Vathal. Why do I keep saying Vathal? Vathal Kulambu's powder. Did the Vathal Kulambu? I keep calling it Vathal.